Sensibility and practicality define the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features 4-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, an automatic dimming rear view mirror, an outside temperature display, skid plates, and remote keyless entry. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.